on to the last two questions here. I'm going to take this shape and split it into two rectangles along here. So this little green piece I have here is 4, and then if I extend the green piece to a yellow piece right here, then this is 2, and with those two numbers I will add them and I will get 6. So 4 plus 2 is 6, so this is 6 by the height over here is 2, and then this one up here is area of, well, because this is 2 in centimeters here, then I need the rest, which is 3, so 3 plus 2, and then I can get rid of the 5 because that's confusing. And I'll use this 3 here, and then this 4 here. So this is a 3 by 4. And then I'll multiply, and then add those two of this rectangle, or these two rectangles. And that will give me my answer here. I'm sorry, I think I said the last two questions. It's really the last 3 because 8 is included, so 8, 9, and 10. Anyway, this is clearly a triangle and a rectangle. So for the triangle, I have area equals base times height divided by 2, and then this one is base times height. Please don't forget your formulas. I know I haven't been writing them as much as I can, but remember, my writing has been very limited with this computer screen. I'm working on getting a whiteboard, or a mini whiteboard, to kind of demonstrate how I want you to show your work. I know I've already done so in class, and I've done so in your notebook, so please refer back to Google Classroom and look at the other videos that I have posted that really get in the nitty-gritty of how you're supposed to show your work for finding area, because we're going to have to apply that to volume, and it is very important because moving forward, if your foundation on solving formulas is not strong, then you're going to have a hard time doing it in 8th grade and 9th grade and on and beyond. So this looks like the triangle's base is 9 and the height is 2. So this is 9 times 2, then divided by 2. And if you know what Miss Starling's going to do, keep in mind that the times 2 and the divided by 2 are going to cancel each other out. And then down here, I have 3 by 9. And then I'm going to add those two areas because I want this answer here and this answer here combined because it's a composite shape. Okay, didn't know that I could use the zoom in button here because I zoomed in my screen instead. But anyway, so this is a triangle right here. This is the height of the triangle and this is the base. Because if this triangle were 3 feet tall, it would stop right here where my mouse is. And look over to the picture. I need this whole length right here. Okay? So I would need to include the 4 here. So 4 plus 3 gives me 7. And that is what I need for the height of my triangle. So A equals 1/2 base times height. And then this is a 4 by 10 rectangle, base times height. 4 times 10. So I would take the answer that I get here, and then the answer that I get here, which is 7 times 6, divided by 2. And I would get my answer, and I would combine those. So after I combine the area over here and here, sorry this is messy, I would add them. So 4 times 10 plus 7 times 6 divided by 2 will give me my answer. Then I would have my results at the end. I could play it again, I could find a new quiz, and it shows that I got 10 correct, 0 correct, and 0 unattempted. The unattempted means I didn't try those at all. Okay, thanks for watching.